When Lady Gaga isn't performing to sold-out crowds on her Joanne World Tour, she's giving back. The 31-year-old Million Reasons singer joined forces with veteran organization Team Rubicon and her own nonprofit Born This Way to volunteer in Houston. Lady Gaga helped do some demolition on a home that was filled with mold and water damage after Hurricane Harvey. Many are still recovering after the devastating natural disaster shook Texas back in August. She wrote on Twitter, "We want to help make Houston strong. This is just one of a million reasons to love Lady Gaga."